Introducing Baileys Turfect, a range of foliar fertilisers designed to correct deficiencies and deliver quick results. This liquid lawn food is absorbed through the turf leaf instead of the soil.
Repair is formulated to support turf recovery during summer stress and heavy use. Apply via a handheld or backpack sprayer at a rate of 5 ml to 50 ml of water per square metre. For example, add 100 ml of TURFECT to 1 litre of water and apply over 20 square metres of lawn. Repair is high in potassium and phosphorus to improve water uptake and lawn recovery. It contains kelp to boost root growth and strengthen turf. Repair is enriched with humic acid and Biowish to optimise nutrient uptake and boost root and soil health. To get the best results, apply monthly and always follow the application instructions. Find the TURFECT range at Bunnings and leading garden retailers. Happy gardening from Baileys.